In this video, I'll show you how to send SUI from Coinbase to your SUI wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you need to do is open up and log into your Coinbase account. If you don't already have a Coinbase account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description. That also includes a welcome bonus. After you've logged into your Coinbase account, we're going to go right over here and tap on the asset icon at the bottom. This is going to bring up all of the assets you have in your account. We're going to look for and tap on SUI. If you don't see SUI in the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on SUI. Next, we're going to go right over here and tap on transfer. Tap on send. Now we need to get our deposit address from our SUI wallet. For that, we're going to open up and log into our SUI wallet. After you've logged into your SUI wallet, we're going to go right over here and tap on receive. This is your SUI deposit address. Tap on copy address to copy your wallet address. Go back into Coinbase and paste the wallet address right here. Confirm it by tapping on paste and tap on it again. Next, we're going to select how much SUI we want to send over to our SUI wallet. I'm just going to tap on max. We're sending it to a self-custody wallet. Since I'm sending it to myself, I'm going to just tap on this. Tap on continue. Confirm everything is correct. So this is the total that we're sending, and this is the network fee we're going to pay. After you've confirmed that everything is correct, just tap on send now. Enter the 6-digit code that they texted to your number, and that's how to send SUI from Coinbase to your SUI wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.